Hello and welcome to my presentation, Research a Great Idea. My name is Erica McFarland and I'm a librarian with Ivy Tech Community College, Indianapolis. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions or need assistance with your research. You can see my email addresses up on the display. You can also get help with your research through our library website. There's both a chat feature and an Ask a Librarian email feature. You can see here the research process has been broken down into 4 major steps. These steps aren't something you go through once and then stop. You may need to make some adjustments and repeat the steps as necessary. The goals of these steps is to be able to apply research skills in the library's resources to find that best, most useful information in the quickest way possible. In this video, we'll be using the library research collection to find articles and other information to answer our research question. When exploring the resources, be aware that there are many media formats available within the library collections. Also know that different types of articles will have different types of information. We will start searching, and then when you start searching, you want to use the keywords and searches that we developed in our research strategy, and then apply limiters and use the tools within the resources to help us narrow down to those most useful results. We'll be looking at the library website in a moment, but I wanted to make you aware of a couple of resources that I won't be showing in detail. The first resource is called Films on Demand. Films on Demand covers documentaries, and a couple of the nice things about it is that it includes a full transcript. So that's every word that's said in the documentary. You can either print that out or save that file and highlight the most important bits of information or the most useful things, so you don't have to take notes by hand as you're watching the documentary. It also includes that starter citation that will help you with your bibliography. The other one is called Opposing Viewpoints. We cover opposing viewpoints in the identified topic video. But if you're looking for articles within opposing viewpoints, you can limit to just audio, and that will give you broadcasts from National Public Radio. These also include the full transcript and that citation assistance. When we're talking about different types of articles, there are 2 main categories, scholarly and popular. The difference between these 2 types can be seen in the author, audience, and purpose of the article. In a scholarly article, the author is a professional or researcher in that particular topic or area of study. They're writing for other people in that profession, so people who already have a solid background knowledge of that subject. The purpose is to expand knowledge in that profession. Many times it involves communicating the details of a scientific experiment or study. The great news is that these are highly credible. The downside is that the readability is fairly low. That's because these are written for people who already have that existing knowledge on the subject or who are already professionals in that area. So it can be difficult for someone outside of that profession to really be able to get in and understand everything. So be aware that when you're looking at scholarly articles, you'll need to take your time with them. Popular articles are things like magazines and newspapers and many websites. Those authors are usually professional writers or journalists. They're writing to us, the general adult public. Their purpose is to entertain us in some way. They can be informing us of information or trying to persuade us of a viewpoint at the same time. The credibility of popular sources can vary because we're relying on that author's ability to interpret the information for us. On the plus side, the readability is very high because the reader is not expected to know a lot about that subject at the beginning. As we get into the library resources, I want you to keep in mind these 4 ways of limiting results. The first is full text. This limits only to articles that we can read the entire thing right now. The second is to add a publication date range. You can also limit by source type. And the last is to add a subject heading. A subject heading is a tag that describes what the articles are about. Once you find an article that you think is useful, you'll want to save that article someplace you can get back to it. You can copy the link that will take you directly back to this article as well. And you want to get that starter citation that you'll use for your bibliography. Now let's start actually applying some of this in the library website. So here's our library website. You can get to this by logging into My Ivy, and then on the left-hand side at the very bottom of that dark green menu, it says Library. Click on that and you'll get to this page. At this very moment, the library building is physically closed, but our librarians are all working online. So you can see there's an Ask Us button over here on the side, or if you scroll down, there's an Ask a Librarian and that LibChat feature over at the over here as well. So those are 2 other ways that you can get help. What we're going to focus on looking at today is this Discover search that's down here at the bottom of the page. Let me turn my little pointer on so you can see what I'm looking at. So again, here's the Discover search. There are many different collections in the library's website. You can get to that through the A to Z list, and you'll see a complete list of all of those resources. So if you wanted to go to Films on Demand, you could go to F for Films on Demand and then search that. If you wanted to check out opposing viewpoints, you could go down to O for opposing, and you would be able to search through opposing viewpoints. I'm going back to the library's main page. What this Discover search tries to do is search most of our library collections at one time. It doesn't cover everything, but it does cover a lot of stuff. Sometimes this can be overwhelming. So if you're getting too many results or the system just isn't working for you, you can also go back to that A to Z list, and the very first thing on the list is called Academic Search Premier. It functions exactly the same way as the Discover search. It's just searching one specific group of information and instead of trying to search everything the library has. So let's start by putting a search in our search box. So we want to start by having at least 2 concepts that we're going to hook together with an and. So we can look for, let's see, here's one that, well, that's already pretty specific. Let's look at one from my examples from the other resources, other videos. We'll do alternative energy. Oops, check my spelling. And I'm putting that in quotation marks so that the computer knows that I'm looking for that phrase and not the word separately. And wind. Okay, so alternative energy and wind. And then we're going to run our search. Since I'm working from home, it's going to ask me to sign in, just like it will do for you. And once these results load, we'll see the total number of results, and we'll have our limiting bar down on the right, left-hand side. So again, you can see my search up at the top, alternative energy and wind. So still pretty broad. So I got 28, almost 29,000 results in my search. To start narrowing that down, I want to go down this left-hand side. So if I go to full text, right, that limits to only the things I can read right now. So I can't read a book on the shelf right now. There might be articles where we don't have all of the text within the website, so it's going to take those things out for us. We're still almost to 29,000 articles. The next thing down is going to be the publication date range. So sometimes information is too old to be useful on a topic. So if I'm talking about wind energy, I probably just want information from the last few years. So I'm going to adjust this slider to 2015. And then we want to see that update again. There we go. So now we'll only be looking at things that are full text and things that are published within the last 5 years. So now we're down to just 8,000 articles, still way more than I'm ever going to be able to read. So let's see what's the next thing down. Here we have different source types. So we've got those academic journal articles. Oh, excuse me. We've got newspaper articles and magazine articles. Trade publications are kind of in the middle. They're written for people within a particular profession or with knowledge on a subject, but they're written in more conversational language. So trade publications can be really useful. I'm going to go ahead and limit the trade publications because it says there's almost 1,000 of them in there. So these should also be really pretty credible and also be pretty readable. So now I've gotten that down to 1,000. All right, let's see what our next option is. Here's where it says subject heading. So each individual article, when it's indexed, they tag it with subject headings that describe what that article is about. We can add those tags to our search under the subject heading. So I clicked on the little arrow there and it's giving me the entire subject heading field. I can also do show more and it'll make it a pop-up. So I can go through here and see if there's something a little more specific than just saying wind. So do I want wind power plants, wind turbines, clean energy, offshore wind power plants? There's several different things that could apply. So I can pick one that I think might be a little bit more specific. And I'm going to say offshore wind power plants. All right, so I'm going to select that and hit update. So now I'm down to just 25 items. So you can see how that subject heading is really useful at getting down to something that's really specific very quickly. In this box here, it's showing me what my current search is. So I have alternative energy and wind. That's what I started out with. I see the limits that I applied, full text, publication date range. I looked just at trade publications, and I added that subject of offshore wind power plants. If at any time I want to remove one of those limits, I just need to hit the little X next to it, and it'll take that limit out of my search. You also have the ability to adjust your search terms at any time. So the search of alternative energy and wind is still a very broad search. So we'd want to focus that down a little bit more if we could. And you can do that by adding additional terms. There's a drop down for those connecting terms of and, or, and not. So you could use these to add additional terms to your search as well. So if I wanted to say alternative energy and wind, but not birds, it'll cut out any article that talks about birds. So I can rerun that search and be aware that you may need to adjust your limits again once you do that. So again, I'm back up to 8,000 articles. So I'm looking at the full text. I have my same date ranges on there. But again, I want to look at just trade publications. Again, you could use any limit. You could use newspapers, magazines, academic journals, whatever works for your particular assignment. And then, of course, I can add that wind power plants. I'm just going to select that one since it's quick. And then I should be back down to a much more reasonable number of resources. So just 169 articles. Once you get this list down to something that can be manageable, then you're going to start looking through these to see if they're articles you can actually use or not for your topic. The first thing you want to keep in mind is, does this article actually help me answer my research question? And we'll look into that a little bit more in the last video, analyzing your results. But I want to show you what to do when you find an article that actually works for you. So if we think this article might be useful, I'm going to click on the title of the article, and it's going to bring me into a detail page. So we have the same details listed here. We want to make sure we save the full text of that article someplace. So in this case, the full text is a PDF. So we'll need to load that PDF. I clicked on that. It's taking a minute to load. Once that loads, we'll have the PDF reader in the center, and you can save that PDF, download it, and save it to your computer. You can also send it to Google Drive. There it goes. You can send it to Google Drive. You can email it to yourself as well. This icon that looks like chains is the permalink. That permalink is the link that will always take you directly back to this article. So it'll take you back to this page without having to search for it again. The other thing that you might be interested in saving is the citation, that starter citation for your article. If you click on the Cite button, it should give you that starter citation. Here's one in APA. I do want to warn you that they're not always 100% correct. That's why I call it a starter citation. So if you copy and paste this to use in your bibliography or works cited page, make sure that you edit it and the information is all correct, including things like capitalization and the order that things are listed in. So again, once you get to as you start to do a search, make sure that you apply those limits: the full text, the date range, the type of source, and add a subject heading. At any point, you can add and remove those or adjust your search in the search box at the top. Once you find something that you think will be useful, make sure that you save it. Save the full text of that article. You can either download it or email it to yourself, send it to your Google Drive. Also grab the link that will take you directly back to that article and save that starter citation. So that will make your bibliography page much easier to write. In exploring the resources, we took our research strategy that we developed and we applied some additional limits to help narrow down our search even further. Remember that using all of the steps in the research idea will help you get the best information in the quickest way possible.